check out the Qantas A380 being towed at the Heathrow Airport. Very cool, isn't it? Nice. Did you know? Harpazo is new, Rapture is new, Jesus Christ is coming again soon. And I hope to see you in the sky. Believe in Him before it's too late. Harpazo, Harpazo, Harpazo. I'll see you in the sky, Lord Jesus. Promised, come in again. I'll lift your name on high. Very nice. Spirit of Australia. I wonder if this plane flies directly to... Oh, this plane flies to Singapore, right? I think. It doesn't have the range to fly to Australia directly yet. So, good to see you soon in Singapore. It's a VH00H. Serial number VH00H. Qantas Airbus A380. Very neat.